welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy, and in today's video I thought we'd do a use some of these distressed oxide inks and create a Slimline card. And we're going to use this stencil here. As you can see, they're kind of, it's a bit hard to see on here, but they are 12 by 12, so you can use them on the card, you can use them on a scrapbook layout, but today I'm going to use them on the Slimline card. And we're going to add some penguins on there as well and make a card. Alright, so let's get going. Now I have just taped it down with washi tape so it doesn't move, and that's where the fold is. It's just if I don't have that on there, when I do it, it might go over the back, so we'll have that on there. And we'll also tape this down so that it doesn't move and slide around when we're putting the stuff on. Alright, let's get going. I'm using my all-purpose map because it can wipe off really easily from that. Got all over my fingers. Mixed media isn't sometimes very clean, but that's okay. There we go. Now I've just got water in here. You can also clean them up under the tap as well, but that gets most of it off for now. Now we're going to pop some penguins on there, so I need to stamp some out. Just run the penguin through the die cutting machine. Don't redo it. I've been using this one quite a bit lately too, so we might use this one. I might use the Happy and put that on because it's quite big. Okay, just run them through the die cutting machine too. balloons, which we can attach there. We're going to colour them in. I'm going to colour in the present of the penguin. I'm going to colour his hat in. Alright, I'm going to stick it all down. Spectrum Noir tri-blend markers to colour in, and I've used intense black ink on these so that we can colour them in. I've got this as a reference so that I can see what colours I want to use. Probably should have told you what the measurements were if you want to know. It's 3.5 by 8.5. Alright, so that is our Slimline card made with the penguins, so the winter penguins, and it's also got the party time stamp on there as well. Alright, I'm going to leave the video here. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Alright, well, have a good day, and don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Okay, bye.